Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing the most dangerous topic, that is the city creation, which is already done basically, and which I am telling you. Few people says that basically satellite groups basically are telling that we will finish the world within second basically, and they might be correct also. They might be 100% correct basically. I am telling you 100% they might be correct, and things basically which now basically I discussed about this basically, that entire Mumbai city will go underwater just within 1 second. That would be 100% correct. I am telling you, not 100% but 500% basically. And near city area, near sea area basically, they also basically have to be very aware basically that it might be possible basically. Then one of the person basically of Maharashtrian family, they basically say that basically we are taking care of the Maharashtrian basically. They told that basically, how you can say that basically these all words basically are going to end. Sorry, they are these words are going to attract to the sea water to the Mumbai city. Then he told that basically, do you know basically one family that is Jesus family? Yeah, that basically don't know basically, but we have heard there about that basically, that there is basically like Jesus family. Just see basically who are into the city creation and into maintenance, they know each and every family. But the normal people basically don't know basically. The Jesus family, then basically yeah, that we know basically. They basically keeps on doing the experiment in Italy basically. That you know basically. No, that I don't know basically. Yeah, basically they are doing the experiment basically in Italy basically, and Italy basically in Italy basically they keeps on doing the experiment, and then basically the sea basically literally they dumps the words basically that basically is inside the power bank basically, that is the power company, energy company and nuclear power company. They literally sends the data to that people basically body, and that night only basically the entire city sea water gets attracts to the entire city. The entire city basically goes into the sea water basically, and then basically they few people who dies basically, that basically they do the research basically how many people died, and then basically the water comes back to the basically comes what comes out from the city basically, and everything basically stays as it is basically, where each and every bed basically was there, house basically, bikes, each and everything. So one of the person told that basically, I think that is magic here basically, yeah. Because single sea water comes inside the Mumbai city, the entire buildings basically will get crashed. But in that city basically doesn't happen anything basically. Then he told that yes, yeah, basically that's very dangerous thing basically. That need to check with the Italian group basically. Then one of the person told that yes, yeah, basically that need to check with the Italian group basically, because world basically really will end basically. Then he told that yes basically, yeah. So for that basically few country basically we have ended also, no, basically. No, but chain is not going to break basically. Then one of the person told that basically, yeah, now what to do basically, yeah. Then he contacted to one of the person basically, that is Swaminarayan family basically. They say that basically we are peace family. We always believe in peace. We say that basically we believe in peace basically. But they are also Gujaratis basically. Then he told that yes, yeah, basically they are also Gujaratis. But then basically they connected to like this basically. They told that basically Swami Narayan family structure basically. This is the Swami Narayan family structure basically, right? Then he told that yes, basically yes, Swami Narayan family structure is this. This is Swaminarayan Sastra basically. See basically this is the history of Swaminarayan ji. See basically. This is the basically So मेरा arrange history, family history. See basically. So one of the person told basically. This group basically are connected with basically Tamil or basically Sanskrit basically. That basically was very dangerous question basically. That need to check basically. That need to check basically. Then one of the person told that he is also Gujarati basically. He is also basically came from the Gujarati family. Then he told that yes basically they are also basically Gujarati now. They are also basically Gujarati. So this group basically might be knowing this group basically. Then he told that might be basically, but 100% I'm not sure basically. Yeah. Then basically connected like this basically. Then he connected to Sri Ram God family basically. But in Word basically, in Google basically, they are not having the family structure basically. So they don't have the family structure of Sri Ram God basically. They don't have the family structure basically. Because history never dies. That is the rule basically. So one of the person with that Sri Hanuman family structure have basically. No, that is also not there here. See basically. See? No, here basically don't have any family structure. This family structure is there basically. So one of the person told that basically. This family structure is there, this family structure is there. This family is connected. One of the person told that this is basically connected with this family, this Vidyagon school is connected with this basically. See basically how the connection is basically. See basically. Then you told that yes, yeah, that means the TCS groups are basically created by this basically or this basically or this basically. Then he told that basically or basically is it this basically. Then he told that basically like this only basically the entire death basically are connected. Then he told that yes, birth and death basically. For example, Sunil R. Nair, his next generation will be what? What will be his next generation? Sunil R. Nair का अगला generation क्या होगा? That these groups are going to decide. This group, the entire group basically, they are going to say basically that Sunil R. Nair का generation next होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए. In English, this was Hindi basically. I will explain it in English basically. The Sunil R. Nair next generation basically is, for example, child of Sunil R. Nair is supposed to happen or is not supposed to happen. Will happen or will not happen basically. That is decided by which family? Sorry, which group? This group. See basically, this all are group basically. See basically. See. 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 These are the LinkedIn, that is LinkedIn basically, where I submitted the resume basically. See basically this all family. Yes, here basically. So next video basically we are going to see the most dangerous topic that is ongoing. City, how actually the city created, because this is connected with the last day of world basically.